Hello fellow YouTubers and Google Plus followers. I'm here today talking about the Rode Wireless Go, the transmitter receiver. The transmitter is located just about on my left shoulder where my scarf is at right here. And I have a mic muff on it. And it's just a little piece of fur. It covers the microphone so this way the wind doesn't hit it. And I have a modified Beats cable. It's real short. I don't need something that's real long anymore. And I use it with the DJI Osmo Action. One of the things I have an issue with is the on and off button. And I'll get to you that. I get to you with that in a second. We'll leave that little blooper in there. It doesn't hurt anything. And I have a little issue for me, and I hear many others are having a little problem. And I guess Rode Wireless Go, they came out with a white version as well, but did they fix the on and off button? Or is it just the way it is, that you have to be dead centered to the button? And let me explain. When you hit it on, it takes about 3 to 4 seconds to turn on. And when you want to shut it off, sometimes it don't go off. And you have to be dead center of the button. And you have to do it maybe 1, 2, or 3 tries, and eventually it will go off. Are you having that trouble? I've seen a couple of videos, maybe one person opened it up. They tried to, repair it. Is it worth for me to send it in to get a new one? Call up the company and ask if this is quite the normal for these things? But all else, it works perfect. I love it, no issues at all. Now I like my Rode Wireless Go. I leave it on all the time because if I don't, I won't be able to capture the moments like so. I wonder with the Rode Wireless Go why they have to make a snap-on type of case and permanently close it, because people like us may want to open it up and dismantle it to get inside there. It would have been great to have maybe 4 bolts on there so we can basically say, hey, to the company, my switch is not working. It's a very simple fix. All I got to do is disconnect it, take the part out, and put the new part in. And that is something that would have been nice with the Rode Wireless Go. With the Rode Wireless Go being up to $200 or more, there are clones out there that resemble this, and they are UHF signal. I'm happy with it, no complaints, and if I have to do it all over again, it'll definitely be the Rode Wireless Go. So on that note, I hope this video was helpful to some, and I hope that Rode Wireless Go, the Rode company, sees this, and maybe they'll say, hey Fish, you know what, we'll send you a new one. We'll send you a new product to review. On that note, I'm Fish, very thankful for you being here. I'll see you all on other videos to come.